Chalo, let's go.
Perhaps you have already gone through my last video, so you know that we had already reached Shillong, and after that we started for the Umiam Lake on the day itself.
कल रात में हम पहुंच गए चिरापुंजी में 2 दिन स्टे है, मंडे अभी स्टे है चिरापुंजी। सुबह सुबह बारिश है, अभी 11 ऐसा तो बारिश नहीं है।
अच्छा,
खाली हम
क्या क्या देखना था चेरापूंजी में, याद है?
चिरापुंजी में तो आज भी बहुत अच्छा है वाटरफॉल।
वाटरफॉल तो
हाँ, वो अबे स्टार्टिंग नंबर 1 है मकोटक वाली, नंबर 2 ये क्या,
ये गार्डन ऑफ केव्स।
हाँ गार्डन
आया।
अरुणाचल।
ईटानगर।
अभी घूमने आया ना काम
घूमने?
घूमने आया। आप कोलकाता है ना?
हाँ, बंगाली, हम लोग कोलकाता की है।
Those who have already seen my last video, they know that this kind of scenario is common in Meghalaya, where you will get surrounded by clouds suddenly, and then in a flash of second everything will be gone, and there will be clear sky and clear surrounding that you can see. The rented car that we took to reach hotel from the bus stop was again hired for this Umiam Lake trip, and the driver was so talkative that we were entertained throughout this trip.
जरा है ना, तो धूप है, तो शिलोंग में पहाड़ में नहीं है ना भाई। हम मालूम है, हम क्या करेगा, पहुंच गया चिरापुंजी में घूमने के लिए, रूम भी नहीं है, वापस आएगा शिलोंग। तो हम बोला है ना, हमको हम मालूम है, हम तो लोकल है यहाँ से, वो सीजन में तो ज़्यादा टूरिस्ट, तो बुक नहीं किया तो भी नहीं मिला, मिला तो वो बहुत दूर सिटी में, चिरापुंजी में 30 किलोमीटर का अभी दूर है। अच्छा, अभी तो पी भी नहीं है,
गलत है, नहीं करना चाहिए।
This lake has different viewpoints, and also you can enjoy boating on it, but we chose not to do that. There is specific hours for this boating activity, and it closes at around 5 p.m. generally. On that day we reached this viewpoint at about 4:30 p.m. so there was no time for us to try any activity on this lake, and also the entry gate for any activity on this lake is a different one. This viewpoint is specifically for the travelers who want to have a stopover here because it was a bus stop. Though we couldn't explore the other viewpoints that day, but we had a plan to do that later. After traveling consistently for 2 days, we were dead tired at that time, and we just wanted to get to the hotel, have dinner and go to bed. But again, life is not so easy when it is needed the most. We wanted to have the dinner as soon as possible. We ordered that, but the food arrived 2 hours late, and that too after 2 cancellations. This is the view that we have from our window. Today is a sunlit day, so let's hope for the best. So this is our second day in Shillong, and we are planning to visit Cherrapunji, but we are not ready yet, as you can see from my background. Okay, but we'll get ready soon and go out in the house of the clouds. This is the surrounding that you can see from here. So we are about to have our breakfast on the rooftop, that is on the house. The view that you are getting from the rooftop of this hotel. Video.
Video. ये
Initially, we planned to visit a lot of places in Cherrapunji, but after that, we got to believe that no one is going to take us to all these places in a single day. So, we were left with only two options. Number one is let the driver decide where to go according to their normal routes, like there were viewpoints, there were falls, there were many other things which we were not really interested in. And the second one was to customize our plan, and that would cost us a fortune. Since it was a budget trip, so we didn't want to spend much. We planned accordingly. As per this plan, my husband went to Police Bazaar early in the morning, met few drivers over there, made one of them understand our real plan. That is, we didn't want to visit a lot of places, but we wanted to have definite few that may not align with the general route that they drive, but surely that would not take much time. Ultimately, we reached our first destination of the day, Wakaba Waterfall.
So we are at the
Wakaba Falls right now, so
and we are not able to see anything. It's just the clouds.
This is the reality. There is no waterfall. There's just a cloud fall.
Clouds were coming out as smoke.
Hello.
To see the waterfalls, you have to go down the stairs, and for that you need to cross this gate, and for that you need to pay the money. It was 30 per person.
Steep stairs. So we have found the first Wakaba waterfall. I don't know whether it is called Wakaba or not.
Actually, we heard it from another traveler that this is not the actual Wakaba waterfall. It is way below.
We could go near only one waterfall. Okay. And the other one, we couldn't go. Right? Okay. Let's see what we can do next. And we could find this near Wakaba waterfalls. This is heavenly. Yes. And my daughter is enjoying on her own.
Our next destination was Kinrem Falls. 3 months ago, when we started planning for this trip, we actually tried to avoid the falls because at that point of time, we had a notion that we would not be able to see these waterfalls in their most magical form. Still, we had a plan to visit this place where we could see this majestic waterfall, which is known as Kinrem Falls. And of course, this part of Meghalaya is actually famous for the waterfalls only. So you cannot avoid this when you are in Cherrapunji.
फोन नहीं लगेगा यहाँ पे, नहीं लगेगा। बांग्लादेश का कैरियर लग रहा है।
Stick to me.
During monsoon, it becomes so fierce that water actually engulfs this roadway. When we saw the video in its prime, we were impressed so much that we thought of visiting this even if we don't visit any other waterfall during this trip.
Right now we're in front of Kinrem Falls. It's beautiful.
And it's huge.
The next destination of our trip was the most overhyped thing imaginable. It was the famous Seven Sisters waterfall. Many people on social media claim that they see rainbows and clouds hovering over it, but we just saw a few strips of water falling from a cliff.
Hello, বন্ধুরা। আশা করি তোমার এই
এদিকে দাও।
Are we, Gora?
I think we're the Seven Sisters, though I'm not sure.
Yes.
Oh, we're at By the way, there's a horse over there.
It was time for lunch, and being Bengali, we wanted dal bhat, and this particular restaurant served us that only. The decoration was beautiful, the food was tasty, and it was not very expensive at all. Our next destination was Nokkalikai Falls. It is also one of the most sought after destination in Meghalaya, but somehow personally I didn't like it much. One of the reasons for this is that we could see this waterfall from a distance, and particularly at that point of time, that particular region was surrounded by the clouds. So we had to wait for some time at that place to have even a glimpse of it. Overall, it was good, but it was not as good as many other waterfalls that we could see in Cherrapunji that day. I'll show all this in the next episode.
Wait.
Yes, Cora. Where are we?
So now we're at Noah Kalikai Falls, and I'm pretty sure I don't need this anymore. So
Yeah,
I know.
it's all cloud outside, right? There is no sun.
and it's still bright somehow.
Yeah.
So as you can see behind us, it's all white.
Yeah. It's all white.
The sun's back. What can I say? I am head out.
লম্বা করে
Ariana. See you in my next. Till then, bye bye.